Okay, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the briefing on Thursday, the 5th of January. So that's the synoptic. We've got that low pressure out to the northwest, and we've got this warm front just going through about now this morning. If we look at midnight last night, there it was to the southwest, and by midday, it's passed through. Looking ahead to tomorrow, looks reasonably settled, but with those fronts down to the south still. Both today and tomorrow reasonably wide isobars, so wind shouldn't be too strong. Looking further ahead to, that'll be Saturday, perhaps a little bit more unsettled. Got this system out to the west developing. We'll see what that brings. The upper winds today predicted to be somewhere between runway 23 and 27, probably about 260, maybe 250. At about 30 knots, so reasonably brisk at flying heights. And that's the current SAP view, so reasonably cloudy. As we said, we've got that warm front going through, and if you're seeing outside, it's pretty cloudy at the moment. Rain radar, we got the isolated chance of a shower today, but hopefully, if we're lucky, should miss us. There's nothing particularly large looking like it's going to be getting us anytime soon. And that aligns with the public forecast, just predicting 10% chance of precipitation all day, but reasonably cloudy. A little bit more as the sun sets into the evening, and possibly some showers later this evening. Visibility, reasonably poor right now, but improving by about midday, and as well as that humidity reducing. So it looks like it should be improving by about midday. The wind on here, saying 12 knots from the southwest, gusting up to about 20 or so. Top temperature today forecast to be about 12 degrees and dew point of about 10. So once they do split a little bit towards midday, hopefully we should get a nice gap to go flying. But that's the current view outside. As I say, quite gloomy. Cloud base is currently very low, so not quite flyable yet. Temperature currently 10 degrees with a dew point of 8 and 11 knots from the south, apparently. Okay, Farnborough. Currently showing few clouds at 1,000 feet scattered at 1,500 feet, but more importantly, the forecast looking at light wind from the southwest, and I'll look at Odium as a little bit closer actually. 8 knots from the southwest and broken clouds at 1,000 feet later on, and improving few clouds to 2,000 feet by about midday, but then deteriorating again slightly towards sunset. So it looks like it should be okay from about midday, perhaps a little bit sooner if we're lucky. No TAMs today, none to affect. Got number 3 down there. That's just notifying of Southampton's operating hours. And that's pretty much it. So it looks like we should be flying by about midday. If we do, we'll either set up on 2-3 or 2-7, not quite decided yet. Standing out there, actually, the southerly component felt quite light, so we might get away with 2-7. If we are on 2-7, we'll need left correction. Otherwise, you might find your launch is a little bit lower than you might expect. But otherwise, wait in the clubhouse. Hopefully, we should be flying by about midday, perhaps a little bit sooner if we're lucky. I'll see you on the airfield. Bye for now.